Hey everyone, how are you doing? After being creative and having a creative moment, it's time to clean the brushes. So today I'm going to share something which is my find and I really am enjoying it and it's just got over. So that's from Co Beauty and I just love the brush cleaner from Co Beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the brushes with the brush cleaner. Alright, so let's just get started. When I was in my makeup artistry institute, that time I used Cinema Secret brush cleaner, which is pretty good. Then I really wanted to try something else and I found this in our local drugstore and it is actually pretty good. I am enjoying working with this one, and what drew me in is the rose water ingredient. Everything that has got rose water, rose ingredient is just something I just want to try because I love rose ingredient, rose oil, rose water, rose petals, you name it. I tried this one and the main thing that I wanted from a brush cleaner, that it would make my brush squeaky clean, and that's what I really look forward to in a cleaner, right? So it worked pretty well and that's why I went ahead and bought the second bottle of it. It lasted for a while. I actually get creative every single day. I like to create different kinds of eye look, makeup look, and I use brushes. So every time I want to use brushes, I want my brushes to be clean so that I can feel really peaceful about it, that I'm putting something on my face which is absolutely hygienic, clean, and no compromise on sanitation, right? Will take a while to open this. This smells pretty amazing too. So it's a nice moment, It is not tedious, it is not exhausting. It is a nice moment. I'm sitting by the window and this is my spot where I just want to sit and clean my brushes and also just look outside and see some greenery. Okay, this is my Makeup Forever's pouch where I keep all my brushes. I like this because I can separate the brushes conveniently, and I really enjoy this holder. Whenever I'm using the brushes, the dirty brushes go here, and then after cleaning I can keep it here. So that's how I set up this holder in my makeup station, and this is pretty practical, very functional and a smart way to hold and keep your brushes safe in one place. So as you all know, Sephora sale is going on. Makeup Forever stuff you can find in Sephora's website too. So why not just take a moment and check this out, and if you like it, if you want to invest in a good makeup holder, brush holder, then yeah, make the most of it. Yes. One is my foundation brush. I'm not going to be very harsh on it because this is very close to my makeup application. This is the brush which takes time to clean up, but with this cleaner I can get it done pretty easily. Of course, a paper towel and my Co brush cleaner. An easy, convenient way without being too harsh or too hard on your brushes, because they are like the tools of your life. As long as you are working with them, they are going to support you because they are really high quality brushes from Makeup Forever. Love to take care of them because they take care of my makeup application. What I like to do is just put it like this and spray my brush cleaner, and I'll start back and forth and clean my brush. It reminds me of my time in my makeup artistry school because every single day it was a very fun moment with all my artist friends there. We would create looks and then we would sit together and we would clean our brushes in that moment. So if my artist friends are watching me, it will remind them of that moment when we used to sit together, we used to talk about makeup, and at the same time we used to clean our brushes. Since it is my foundation brush, I know for sure that it would need double cleanse, and that's why one more round, and there you go. This smells so amazing. I just love to be around this cleaner. So there you go, all the residue on the paper towel, and just keep folding the paper towel, and you can use the clean side and keep it clean. My squeaky clean brush, foundation brush, ready to get started again tomorrow in the clean side. All right, so next I want to talk about something which I find very interesting. You know, when I work with Aqua Seal, remember the mixing medium that I love to use to create different kind of graphic liners. I find that whenever I use that, it just stiffens the brush a little, and that time this won't be as effective, and that's why I thought that I would use this, and it is working pretty wonderfully. This is my Garnier Clean Makeup Remover, and this is for waterproof makeup. So whenever I use my brush to create something which has got that Aqua Seal element to it, I want to clean that first with this one and then double cleanse with this one. So I'll show you that. If you are someone who just loves to create with mixing medium and you want to clean the brushes in a very easy way, this is how you can try. Like, this is the brush which is absolutely stiff at this moment because I used it with my Aqua Seal. I'm going to clean it now. Paper towel, Garnier Makeup Remover. And the first step is to just lather your brush with that cream. It is a creamy makeup remover. And instantly my brush is like, again, back to normal. Now that's my first step. And now I will double cleanse it with my Co. And you just saw the process. I'll go back and forth. And that's how I just clean my brushes. I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope I could give you some more options to check out for brush cleaning, because that's important, right? And the more we make it fun, the better it is. So another one done. And now the makeup sponges. So whenever I use my makeup sponges, I make sure that I clean them with gentle shampoo or gentle body wash. So that is how I just love to clean it. I love to clean it with my favorite fragrant gentle shampoos or body washes, and I just keep rinsing them and squeezing them until I get nice, clean, transparent water out of them. So that's what I'm going to do now. While I am on this task, why don't you check out my next video? Yeah, so this is Soma saying bye to you. Have a fun weekend and clean all your brushes with ease. Bye. Oh, of course, like, share, subscribe, comment, because that's important, and that's how you can support my channel and we can spread the joy of makeup together. See you.